Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Sheets file with others. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is selecting the file that we would like to share to others. And for example, I'm going to select this file. Then we just need to click on the three dots button on the file. Then there will be some options for us, and we have to select manage access right here. And then if you want to share this file to certain users, you can tap on this button right here. Then you can add the user that you want to share your file to. And for example, I'm going to add this user. Okay, and just click on the send button to share your file like this. And just wait. Okay, and now the user has been added to the Google Sheets file. But if you want to share this file to anyone or everyone, the step will be different. You can click on the three dots button, and then you can click on manage access right here. And then you can click on this access, this option. Just click on this restricted option. Then you can click on this option again. Then just click on anyone with the link. Then you are going to select editor. And then you are going to click on viewer right here. Then just select editor so anyone can edit your Google Sheets file. Alright guys, and that's all the way to share the Google Sheets file to another user. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.